In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your images in few minutes for free, forever. Let me show you what we are going to discuss in this tutorial.
We are going to use this website over here, then import our image inside. The system will remove the background automatically. If you want, we can download our image right away, or we can edit to replace the background with a nice photo or place it somewhere we want. In fact, I'm going to show you a few websites where you can find nice images to replace your background with. We will search for any image we want, import in this website, then replace our background. Additionally, we can make our background thin and clear by using the blur feature.
If you love what you see so far, consider to subscribe with the notification on. Okay guys, we are going to use one of my picture. We're going to use this picture. I just took it somewhere in the bush, and we are going to remove the background and put it somewhere like this, or here, or here. Okay, let's begin with step number 1. Just head over to your Chrome or to your Google Chrome and search about or if you are using Bing or um, other search engine, you can go to your search engine and type this website. It's called Remover BG. Okay, remove BG and search about it. So take your time, don't rush, just take your time and follow along. Okay, so go to your to the first link that you appear that you says with a is with a title called remove background from image. Click on the first link and it will take you to this page. So now I want you guys to upload your image, or maybe take any image. My image, I just embed it in this video. Just download my image and embed it here. So now you can embed it or perhaps upload it here by clicking here, or by just drag and drop from your computer, or by clicking Ctrl V on your desktop on your Windows, Ctrl plus V, or just click on the upload button. For today, I will just click on the upload button, then choose my image in my computer from my file, and as you can see, the system is already removing the background so fast. So now we can download our image right away. You can download if you want, if you just want a background, a blank background. So we can download our image right away. And if you can see, my background now is like this. Can you see it? There's nothing, just green. Or we can edit our image. So come here, then we edit our image. We can place it any place we want. So somewhere here, just select the picture that you want to be on your background here, and after you're done, only click this button to download your image. Yeah. And you can see that I'm traveling, I'm somewhere there, and I was in the bush. So I'm lying, guys. So you can replace it with any background that you want. Put it somewhere here, can put it somewhere here, can put it somewhere here, can put it somewhere here, anywhere you want. So let me go. Or you can put it somewhere here. Really nice one. Put it somewhere here. Put it somewhere here. Or we can choose colors on our background. Perhaps I just want a color, a black color, a white color on my background. You can come to colors here and choose the color that you want to be on your background. Some multiple colors there. Or you can choose this color box, then you just select to open up something like this, then you just drag to the color that you want. So then you press OK, can see. So you can choose multiple of color you want to background. After you're done, just click on download to download your image. It's free to use, everything is free. So that's how you can remove your background of your image. Let me just show you the bonus round where you can be able to replace the background with an image that you want. So if you are on this page and you wanted to replace the background with your own image, so I want you guys to go search any image that you want, and for in this video I want you guys to go to Pixabay. It's one of the platform where you can find free images and quality images, and click on the first link. Just type any image you want, any type of. For today I will use landscape. Okay, I'll choose landscapes, and you choose any image that you want to be on my background. So let me just choose this one. It's Monte Pusumbia Bio, yeah, Monte Pasubio. Just click on download. Just cancel this one. Click on free download. Choose the format of your download of your image. And for now, I'm going to 1920 to 1080 pixel, and click on download. Now click on this icon. I'm not a robot. Just click on it and download the images. It's downloaded in my computer. I'll just go back to the platform. Go back where I was. Click on edit. Then click on this icon where it says upload background. So now I can drag my image, put it there, and it will appear on my background. So that's how you can make your background, replace the background with your own image. So the bonus round again, you can also make your image somehow not clear, where you can use this blur feature. Your background will be seen somehow not clear. So you can see if I click here, this is an original one, and here is not kind of clean, and here just blur, and here is really dark. So you can also use your original one, then you just make it like this. Can you see that my background is kind of not clear? So yeah, that's how easy you can replace your background. So thank you guys for today, and see you in the next video.